Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Janice, and Ollie the Crow. Today we are celebrating something very special. Can you tell by my hat what we're going to celebrate today? Yeah? A birthday! You're right! Today is somebody's birthday! That's right! And this special somebody is a boy, and he's turning 5 years old today. That's right. Do you remember what his name is? Ollie. Let me see if Ollie remembers. Ollie remembers. It's Evan. Happy birthday, Evan. You are turning 5 years old. How very special. I also heard that you're going to go to kindergarten this year. How exciting! Kindergarten. That's going to be lots and lots of fun. I know you're going to enjoy yourself. Well, we know a few special things that you like. Like, I think, the color black and white. Those are your favorite colors, black and white. That's pretty cool. And one of your favorite animals is black and white, isn't it? That's right, it's the zebra. That's right, a zebra is black and white. Another one of your favorite animals is the hippo. That's right, the hippo. Ooh, look at those teeth, Evan, in that hippo. Those are some big teeth, aren't they? Okay, let's see. So we know what your favorite colors are. We know what your favorite animals are. What about your favorite foods? Do you remember one? Oh, it's one of Ollie's favorite foods. Pizza. Of course it's pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? I love cheese pizza. And another one of your favorites is cheese ravioli. That is good. I bet you like cheese, huh? Yeah, I thought so. Also, your favorite numbers are, 100. That's a big number, isn't it? And your favorite letter? I would have thought that your favorite letter would have been E for Evan, but it's not. It's pretty cool. Your favorite letter is a G. I love that. Your favorite letter is G. I've never thought about what my favorite letter is. What about you, Ollie? Oh, Ollie likes O. Of course, because your name begins with O, right, Ollie? Yes, he's silly. And we also heard that your favorite dinosaur is T-Rex. Oh my. Ooh, he's a big T-Rex. T-Rexes are quite big, aren't they? Yes, they are. Other things that you love to do is you like to go to the playground, and you love to go to the beach and the zoo. Oh, guess what? I'm going to the zoo tomorrow. Yay! When I go to the zoo tomorrow, Evan, I'm going to make sure I look for zebras, and I'll see if I can see any hippos, okay? Yeah, I love going to the zoo too. And farms, you love to visit the farm. That's really cool. So you love outdoor things, don't you? And let's see seasons. Seasons, what are your 2 favorite seasons? Oh, let me see if I can remember. Oh, hang on, Ollie's gonna help me. Oh, 2 completely opposite seasons. You love the winter when it's really cold, but it snows and you can build snowmen, huh? Yeah, and then you love the summer when it's really hot. Whew. You can go swimming in the pool, can't you? Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool, Evan, all of those really neat things that I learned about you. Cannot believe it. I can't believe that you are turning, are you ready for this one again? 5 years old. Look, it's peeking through. That is such a big number. Congratulations. Ollie and I, we want to sing happy birthday to you, okay? Evan, would that be okay? It would? Is that okay, Ollie? Ollie loves to sing happy birthday. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Evan. Well, when it's your birthday, usually you get a birthday cake, don't you, Evan? Yeah. And when you get a birthday cake, how many candles does it have on it? That's right. It has however old you are. That's how many candles are usually on your birthday cake. And since you are 5 years old, you have 5 birthday candles. So can you help Ollie count the birthday candles? Okay, ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Great counting. Okay, now when you have a birthday cake and it has the candles on it, remember, what do? You make a wish and then you have to blow out your birthday candles, okay? So do you want to pretend to blow out the birthday candles with Ollie? Yeah? Okay, but first you got to make your wish. So that means you got to close your eyes really tight, no peeking, and don't look, and don't tell anybody your wish. Keep it to yourself, okay? So close your eyes, Evan. Okay, did you make your wish? You did? Okay, are you ready to blow them out? Are you ready, Ollie? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Well done. Thank you so much, Evan, for sharing your birthday with Ollie and I. Now, when it is your birthday, Ollie gives out special birthday kisses, okay? And since you're 5 years old, you get 5 of Ollie's special kisses. You ready to catch him, Ollie? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready to give them. Mwah. That's 1. Mwah. That's 2. Mwah. That's 3. Mwah. 4. And one more big one, Ollie, okay? Mwah. That's 5. Oh, happy birthday again, Evan. And thank you for sharing it with Ollie and I. You have the best day ever, and you do fantastic in school, okay? Bye-bye.